What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another very exciting tech video for you guys, and today we're taking a look at two Baseus charging products that are perfect for every Apple and Samsung user that are on the go. Today we're going to be looking at the Baseus 67 watt GaN fast charger and the ultra portable Baseus MagSafe power bank. Together they give you a clean, convenient charging setup whether you're traveling, working, or heading out for the day. Now let's go ahead and jump into both of these awesome charging products. Let's start off with the Baseus 67 watt GaN charger, because this is basically your all-in-one charging solution, whether you're using your phone, your tablet, and either some other compact devices. When you're traveling, plug this in when you get to your hotel room, and you'll be able to go ahead and charge up all of those important devices while you're on the go. If you're using a Samsung device like the Galaxy S25 Ultra or Z Fold 7, the 67 watt GaN charger also supports super fast charging 2.0 for those Samsung devices. For Apple users, you can fast charge your iPhone, iPad, and even accessories like AirPods or Apple Watch with the right cable. This charger comes with two USB-C ports and one USB-A port, so that you can charge up to 3 devices, and you also have that port versatility. The single USB-C can charge up to 67 watts, and if you have multiple devices, the power is intelligently redistributed among all of those devices depending on what you have plugged in. One of the best parts about this charger is the compact size, which like I said, is perfect for traveling. Despite pushing 67 watts, it's smaller than many 30 watt bricks. I'll show you here next to an iPad adapter so you can really see exactly how compact this thing is. Like I said, you can put this in your backpack every day for travel, or even your shoulder bag or your purse. It's a perfect travel kit or just an everyday carry. If you're someone like me who has multiple devices from multiple manufacturers like Apple, Samsung, Oppo, etc., this is the perfect charger because you can plug them all in one setup, charging up to 3 devices at one time. And again, all of that power is redistributed in the most efficient way possible. Next up, let's talk about the Baseus PicoGo MagSafe power bank. And this one is really all about the on-the-go convenience for iPhone MagSafe users. And of course, like I said, if you have a case that's compatible for your Galaxy phone or Android phone that enables Qi 2.0, you should be able to use this as well by slapping on the back of your MagSafe compatible case. If you've got an iPhone 12 or newer, it'll attach instantly to the phone directly. No cables, no ports, nothing extra. Just snap it on and keep moving. And if you do have one of those aforementioned cases, it works just as simply as well. This is also one of the smallest MagSafe power banks I've ever tested, which makes it perfect for travel as well. But also, if you want to keep this snapped on the back to charge up while you're still using the phone, it's still very simple to grip this, even if you have it slapped on the back of a case. I used this on my Galaxy S25 Ultra while it was inside a relatively bulky case, and because the power bank is so slim, there's no usability issues with gripping onto the phone with the power bank on there as well. This MagSafe power bank is noticeably smaller than the others on the market. Honestly, it's to the point where it feels more like attaching a card holder or MagSafe wallet to the back rather than a battery or power bank. This is perfect when you want backup power without adding bulk, and like I said, I had no usability problems having it on there while still using my devices. It also has a USB-C port, so that means that if you want to utilize this as a wired charging power bank to get a little bit faster charging, or if you have devices where you can't snap it on the back using MagSafe or a MagSafe compatible case, then you'll still be able to charge up while you're on the go for all those devices as well. You get an LED indicator, built-in heat protection, and reliable wireless charging that never overheats. This is ideal for filming vertical content if you need to have that extra battery there to get your phone through the day if you're a creator, airport days while you're traveling, light cable-free backup power during nights out when you're at the club or going out dancing, pocket-friendly everyday carry. You just snap it on, charge up, and you're good to go with no unnecessary bulk. So that is the Baseus charging duo that we're looking at today, the 67 watt GaN charger with up to 3 device support, as well as the Baseus MagSafe PicoGo power bank, which will allow you to snap it on the back and charge up wirelessly while you're on the go. If you want a simple portable setup where you're using Samsung, Apple, or a mix of all different manufacturers, these two products are a great combination. If you guys are interested in picking up this Baseus duo for your travels this year, or even a great gift, because it does make a great gift, everybody needs a charger or a wireless power bank, you can definitely check those out at the links below. There'll also be any relevant discount codes or sales that Baseus has provided. I really do appreciate Baseus for sending out both of these products. I'm using them with all of my devices and really enjoy them. I think you guys will enjoy them as well. Let me know if you have any comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.